Hello everyone. So my name is Frakes again and welcome back to my channel. And for this afternoon, I am going to unbox my ultimate anti-perspirant. Right, so right after my shift ended, I dropped by at Mercury Drug to buy this very effective solution. So just to give you a bit of a background, this solution is very helpful for me treating my hyperhidrosis. So alam ko masyadong scientific term yung hyperhidrosis. So just to give you the meaning of hyperhidrosis, I'm using Safari to search for the very simple definition. So hyperhidrosis is a condition characterized by abnormally increased sweating and excess of that required for regulation of body temperature. So ever since I was a kid kasi pawisin ako, and it's not like the normal sweat that other people experience. Kahit nasa malamig ako na lugar, it's really excessive, and it continued until I started college. And I hope that a lot of people would learn and matulungan din with this solution, because it's been working for me for years already, and I wanna also share how it solved my problem, especially yung awkwardness and pagiging uncomfortable around other people, and of course to save as well, because if you have this product, you wouldn't have to actually buy yung mga deodorants and anti-perspirant na super sikat. It can be affordable in the market, but if you look into the pros and cons, this solution would be the best solution for people who sweats a lot, and not only for the people who sweats a lot, but for other people who also sweat, especially in underarms and even sa paa. Alright, so going back, so since hyperhidrosis is excessive sweating, so yung experience ko dito sa product na to, it's really impressive, kasi I've been researching about the solution for siguro months nung college ako, and then I requested for my sister to buy a different type of product, and then only to find out na nabibili lang yun sa US. However, good thing she looked further, and then she was able to find parang counterpart ng product na yon dito sa Philippines, and nabibili siya sa Mercury Drug. So yung name ng product is Driclor. So this is an aluminum chloride hexahydrate, and this is the topical anti-perspirant. So this is only for external use. And by the way, wala naman tong advertisement. Wala ako nakukuha sa pag-share ng ganito. So just to give you an idea, mabilis lang yung instructions niya or directions. What you need to do is to dry the affected areas and apply the product before bedtime as instructed by the doctor. And of course, caution, do not apply to broken or irritated skin. So napakadali lang. In layman's term, what you need to do is either before you sleep, all you need to do is, siguro kung mahilig ka mag-shower before you sleep, you can take a shower, and then siguro after drying your armpits for siguro mga 30 to 1 hour, you can apply this already before you go to bed. So unbox ko na siya, at ito yung Driclor. Wait, this one. Easy. Ayan. Grabe ang liwanag. The reflection. Ayan, masyado lang siya maliit. And Ganyan lang siya, masyadong maliit. And then this is like 185 milligrams per ml solution. I don't know what that is. Basta ganito lang siya. Pero, so what we need to do is to, this one, remove the cap. And then meron siyang bagong cap here. So this is parang roll on. Ayan, roll on. You just need to put it here. Ayan. To put it inside. Basta ganyan. So all you need to do is make sure na nakapasok yung roll on intact. So if you need to press it down tightly, you can do that, and then make sure na yung lid is nasasara. Ayan. Sarado. So hindi siya matatapon or whatever. The very first week that I used it, it literally, significantly changed my siguro lifestyle, kasi masyado siyang nakaka-boost ng confidence, tsaka hindi na yung pawis is the sweat hindi na excessive, and it really stopped from sweating all day long, and actually all week long. So what happened was that when you apply the product kasi siya parang titingle. So it's siguro medyo mahapdi ng konti, kaya you need to make sure that you apply the product lightly lang. So magbasa muna tayo ng mga indications here. So indications for treatment of hyperhidrosis or of the armpits, the hands and the feet. So it's really helpful, I tell you. And then the dosage and administration for adults and adolescents aged 12 years and over. Wait lang. Before applying aluminum chloride hexahydrate, the affected area should be dried thoroughly to avoid burning of the skin. Kasi pag yung skin part is wet, it may still, yung mga pores is open, so it may create significant damage sa skin mo. So make sure that it's dried. And then initially, aluminum chloride hexahydrate should be applied once daily, lasting at night. When sweating during the day is controlled, the frequency of application may be reduced to once or twice a week or less frequently. The product should be washed off the area in the morning and should not be reapplied during the day. So hindi siya katulad ng roll-on or mga deodorants na you have to apply it daily. Because what's gonna happen is that if you apply it before you sleep, the very first thing you do when you take a bath is to wash off yung portion na nilagyan mo ng ganitong solution. And then, all day long, you will experience the difference of yung body activity na hindi na siya nagsusweat madalas. So, that happened to me. Siguro I did not have to apply it parang daily. I had to apply it siguro mga twice every other week. And then, yung every other week na yun turned into weekly, and then later on, it turned into monthly. And then, siguro mga several years, siguro months after pa lang, parang I only had to apply it once a month, or even longer than every other month, or more than a month. So actually, the last na binili ko to, it was like siguro March of 2018 or earlier than that. And then ngayon lang ako bumili nito. And take note, nag-share pa kami ni Nan sa product nito, kasi si Nan din had the same problem, and then it was treated as well. Scientifically speaking, what happens if you apply the product kasi is uh, this solution is acidic and is thought to act by diffusing into the sweat ducts, where on neutralization it forms gelatinous hydroxides which obstruct the flow of sweat. So yun nga yung nangyari sa akin over time. Hindi na siya ng sweat. There are other solution to stop or treat hyperhidrosis, which is yung pinakamahal is Botox. Kasi Botox is also parang stops yung mga siguro muscles, parang kino-close niya yung mga pores. Pero sino ba naman yung makakapagpa-Botox ng ganun-ganun lang, diba? So if I were you, you should try this product. The instructions are on the leaflet na kasama ng sa loob ng box. It would really help and change the way you act and live. It's gonna be more comfortable for you guys. And then I hope that makatulong sa inyo to in the long run. The price of this is only $705 and 705 pesos and some change. So I said it's only kasi napaka-affordable niya. If you compare it to deodorants, magkano ba yung deodorant dito? Okay, let me search. Hindi ko na lang papangalanan ng deodorants. One moment.
So for men, Rexona deodorant spray invisible dry, it's 150 ml, 176 pesos.
Not sure kung how long this solution lasts. Pero if it's every month, siguro nagpapalit ka ng you buy deodorant. This solution is pretty affordable in the long run. Yung solution na to walang amoy kasi it just stops your armpits, hands, and feet from sweating. Pero you don't need the deodorant kasi the fact that your body parts are not sweating, that means that hindi siya nagkakos ng body odor, right?
And then Rexona men spray invisible dry, 167 pesos, grabe. Tapos for women, Rexona women deodorant spray invisible, 150 ml, 165 pesos, and then antibacterial
defense, 165 pesos. So, ang dami na lang variation, which is pretty good. Oh my god, pangalanan ko yung brand. Anyway, so that's fine. Sige.
Sorry na, I'm not, but if you
compare it with this product, if you compare it with Driclor, you can definitely save, and masyadong convenient yung product for patients or people who have hyperhidrosis. Tsaka yung pros, kasi pag yung mga deodorants, right, it has parang coloration sa shirt. Dati ginagamit ko din yun when I was in college, pero good thing nag-stop na siya kasi hindi lang siya coloration, but parang yung part ng armpits nagkakaroon ng siguro matigas na layer, which is really a no-no na pag halimbawa it damages the shirt pag naglalagay ka ng deodorant. Tapos on top of that, hindi mo kailangan ng siguro magpalit every once in a while or every month, and you will really save a lot. Alright, so that's it for now. And if you have any suggestions or comments, feel free to comment below.